clap your hands with the beat, and we will gonna do it together with the music. Okay? So clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, at the count of 3, let's greet Ethan a happy birthday. Everybody have 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday, Ethan! Yay! Happy birthday, Ethan! So what will you say to everybody, Ethan? Happy birthday! Let's give a round of applause. Happy birthday, boy. And now, birthday boy, I'm going to ask you, do you want to play a game? Yes, of course. So how about everybody? Do you want to play a game? Yeah. So Ethan will join the circle together with your family and friends, and everybody, let's form one big circle. So all the kids, you join here.
Wala sila ate.
Okay, so para din mauwa ang mga kids, so kaya ask mommy na lang po to join.
Wala pa.
Mommy, ate, or tito and tita to
Ate.
join for the first
Flat.
year.
Flat. Si flat. Ba't di ba okay ba?
Sige na. Okay, the game is very simple. This is a kids game lang. Kids game. So, para ma-encourage ang kids to join.
Kuni ipa-curl na.
Pwede sila mauwaw. Si Kuya, ako sa si Kuya.
Bangs mga bangs.
Okay? And everybody
Ay,
else?
bangs. Emo.
Ate, one big circle to, one big circle. Ano ma'am, join mo sa kids ma'am. Join sa kids.
Join mo. Ay.
Join sa kids. One big circle. Okay, everybody once again, join! B-A-P! Happy birthday to Ira! Alright, this time for our first game, we were gonna play the boat is sinking in. So boat is sinking is very simple, so you listen to Ate Ella for the mechanics of the game. Okay, so while the music is playing, and when I say the wind blows goes to your right, so everybody we were gonna turn, moving to the right. We clap our hands while turning and we dance. So, ano lang siya. So, as we go along, turn to the right. And when I say the wind blows goes to your left, everybody, we're going to move, turn to the left. Still, we clap our hands while turning and we dance like Jollibee. And when I say the earth is shaking, all you have to do is to stop from turning and shake your body like Jollibee Wiggle. Okay? And when I say lower, shake your body going down, and higher, shake your body going up. Okay? So kids, we're gonna try. The earth is shaking. Shake your body. Shake. Everybody shake. Shake. And then the feet of 21. Lower. Everybody shake your body again. Higher. Lower. And higher. Very good. And when I say the boat is sinking, group yourself into 2. Group yourself into 2. Group yourself into 2. Okay, immediately. Okay, so can I ask our one to join para hindi mauwa ito mga kids? Together na lang sa mommy. Pwede masali siya para mommy or tita mag-game.
Look, uwi.
Okay. Kita-kita na bitaw sa inside the party area. So, don't be shy. We're all family and friends, right? So, everybody? Okay. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, we have 12 players. Go back to one big circle, everyone. And now, kids, are you ready? Yeah! Okay, go right now. This time the wind goes to your right. Everybody move to the right. Move to the right. Come on. Move to the right. And then the wind goes to your left. Everybody move to the left. To the left. Move to And I would